everyone, I'm Peggy from Wuxi Zhanghua Pharmaceutical Equipment Company. It's my honor to do this factory tour for you. Wuxi Zhanghua was founded in 1976. In these 50 years, we focused on the technology of reacting, crystallizing, filtering, and drying equipment. We have a strong technical team. Lately, I will introduce our technical teammates for you. Let's go. Firstly, our General Manager Jack Zhang himself is a mechanical engineer, has an experience over 25 years. Our QC engineer Zhou Xiaochun has also an experience over 20 years. Our project manager Li Zhidian has an experience over 20 years. Our electronic engineer Wang Liangbao. Our production engineer Ding Songhua. Welding engineer Tian Fang. NDT engineer Gao Yan. Quality inspector Zhao Jiajun. Mechanical engineer Zhang Hu, Wu Tao. Processing engineer Li Yang. They all have experience more than 10 years. We have got certifications of ASME, MB, PED, CE, MOM, ATEX, so our equipment fully compliant with international standards such as FDA, CGMP, ASME, PED, CE, ATEX, MOM. So let's look around the factory. In front of us is our R&D building with 6 floors, 7,300 square meters. It has been finished construction this year, and it will be equipped with some laboratories to test weak hardness, tensile strength, residual stress, fracture toughness, and so on. And will be equipped with some pilot production line for clients doing equipped validations. Let's go on this way. Our company covers about 20,000 square meters and have about 22,000 square meters of building, including 4,000 square meters for office building, 7,400 square meters for R&D building, and 12,000 square meters for workshops. We have 11 workshops to produce equipments. Firstly, let us into our finished equipment workshop. This workshop equipped with some air clean facilities like this. Let us enter into this workshop to see some equipments we produced. These are 2 sets of field dryers with internal diameter 2,000 mm. They are waiting for shipment. About the field dryer, we have a large user basis and marketing share. Our first set of field dryer was manufactured in 1999. This is also the first set of domestic fabricated field dryer in China. We first considering in designs about sealing, corrosion, safety interlock to assure a high air tightness, high vacuum, and automatic controlling. We fully considering in designs about pressure, temperature, overloading, agitate up and down, discharge, solvent, heat transfer, filtering, drying, spray washing, and so on.